Hey folks, welcome back to the Diamond Age. Marty here. We've had a lot of high winds today. I'm kind of concerned about some trees or limbs being down on the back of our place. I'm fixing to drive back there and check it out, make sure everything's okay on the back line. If all that looks, I'm also going to take a wind speed reading. See what that's reading. I know it's been gusting over 40 today. There's been wildfires everywhere. The wind has just been ridiculous, which is very rare for southern Arkansas like that to be sustained for 2 or 3 days. And it's not over yet. Anyway, I'm going to carry y'all with me. Check out the back side of our place. Make sure my boundary line is still open. All that checks out, we're going to ride over across to our lease, our 280 acres, and check that out. It is really, really, really wet back here. Just about the time it starts drying out, it starts raining or storming again, and it gets wet all over again. About to get on my everlasting nerves. I'm gonna stop right here and see if I can get a reading on this. Of course, the wind dies down when I'm recording. Never fails. Zero. Hadn't been zero all day. Of course, it's zero. Trying to document this. Well, enough of that. So far, everything looks okay. Well, it was okay that we got up to this point. Now it's not okay. What a mess. What a mess. Looks like I got a little work cut out for me. All these trees laying across this trail. I see one fairly small one. It's a pretty good size one on up the trail. And there's one way up there that's definitely going to take a chainsaw. Got a leaner too. I'm telling y'all, the wind has been atrocious today. It's been steady 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting over 40. Stuff blowing around every which kind of way. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off, back out of here. We'll go over and check out the lease. Be right back. Well, that trail was open all the way. This particular trail that we're on is the last trail on the east side. And if it were possible for us to go down this trail in front of us, it's full of water right now. That's about 4 feet deep, by the way, right in front of us. And it gets shallower as it gets toward that big power line out there where you see that deer stand. And if you go right, if you take a right when you get to the power line, the end of our lease on this end is almost 3/4 of a mile. I had a little over half a mile. And then it goes through the woods out on further north. Anyway, I'm gonna back out of here, go down another trail. I guess we'll call that a day. The wind has really died down. I'm so glad to see that. It has been crazy today. Absolutely crazy. uncertified wet location. But it's beautiful in here. What do y'all think? I gotta turn this rig around, so I'm gonna turn the camera off so I can use both hands. This is gonna be a little trick. Y'all stay tuned. Well, I guess that's gonna conclude this video. I finally got turned around. That swamp back there is like sitting in a bowl of hot oatmeal. I kid you not. And I was coming out of there sideways, just turning around and coming back out of there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the trip and the reconnaissance session. I got my a little bit of work cut out for me on our place behind our house, sawing up some trees. Hopefully nothing else falls down. This is only a very minuscule part of our lease over here. These are the two main trails on this section, but there's a lot more land to look at. And of course, you probably don't want to see it all today. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy what you see on my channel. And we'll talk to you next time. Take care.